Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Mustang. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a steal with less than 5,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows and window defogger.